I almost messed up.
So recently I was out on a video shoot and I was using multiple SD cards to store all my footage. Once I was done with the shoot, I rushed back home to import all my footage into my hard drive so I could use those SD cards for another shoot later in the day. I was in such a hurry that I didn't double check if all the footage has transferred properly. So I deleted all the footage from my SD card to free up space for the upcoming shoot. But when I sat down to review that footage later that day, I realized that I had deleted the wrong footage from the wrong SD card. I was devastated. I spent the next few days trying to recover the lost footage, but nothing seemed to work. I was at my wit's end when I came across a software called Recoverit from Wondershare. I decided to give it a shot, and to my relief it worked like magic. I was able to recover all the lost footage without any issues. It was such a lifesaver. And the moral of the story, always double check your work and have a reliable data recovery software like Recoverit on hand just in case. Trust me, it could save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, and also less angry clients.